Hi everyone, Vivian Suntail here, and today I'm going to share with you 5 exercises that will jumpstart your creativity. So let's jump right into it. Tip number 1, draw with your eyes closed. So, I am going to pick a subject to draw with my eyes closed. Let's just say I'm going to draw a cat. So, I'll be back in a second when that's done, and I'll make sure you keep your eyes closed the whole time. Okay, I'm back. So, I think I did pretty good for my first time, and this is what it's all about. So, after multiple times of you drawing with your eyes closed, you should get better and better because your hand will muscle memory, and you'll be able to draw better and better. So, this was my first time drawing a cat. Next time, it'll probably get better, and don't give up. Remember, this is just a drawing exercise. You don't have to show anyone. Drawing exercise number 2. I am going to try to draw something I've never drawn before, but without a reference. So I'm going to draw this by memory. I am going to choose a chinchilla. So I'm going to try and draw a chinchilla by memory, and I'll be back when I do that. Alright, I'm back. So, when I drew this, I'm back. I'm back. And I'm done drawing this. And I looked at a reference of a chinchilla after I was done drawing it, of course. And this doesn't look that much like a chinchilla. Alrighty. But don't worry, I'm back. And I looked at a reference of a chinchilla after I was done with this. And this doesn't look that much like a chinchilla. But if yours didn't end up like what it was supposed to be, then that's totally okay. This is the first time you've drawn this, and it was just by memory. So, just keep on trying, and you will get better and better. Exercise number 3. This exercise is where you draw something as detailed as possible in 30 seconds. For this video, I'm going to try drawing a cat in 30 seconds. As detailed as possible. I'll be back in 30 seconds. This is my finished drawing in 30 seconds. It's pretty good for 30 seconds. Every time you do this, you'll get better and better. Drawing exercise number 4. This involves drawing just a simple shape. So I am going to draw just like that. And you take this, and whatever comes to your mind first, you draw it that incorporates this shape. So, for example, I took my drawing from this challenge, and this was it. It's some sort of monster, but this is the shape I started out with. And I made this monster out of it. And this will help improve your creativity tremendously. And lastly, drawing number 5. You take the first 2 things that come to mind. So mine was gold and dragon. And put them together. And I made a sleeping dragon sitting around gold. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell.